What if your child could build a robot that learns from their voice without screens, batteries, or coding? It sounds like sci-fi, but with cardboard, imagination, and a simple game, you can introduce the core idea behind AI voice recognition in a way that's playful, screen-free, and deeply empowering. Start by building a robot together from a cardboard box. Paint it silver, add pipe cleaner arms, button eyes, let your child design it however they like. Give it a name, maybe Bloop or Echo. This robot isn't electronic, it's a character in a learning game. And that's the magic. You're using storytelling to teach how real AI systems work. Now, explain. Bloop is a smart robot, but it doesn't know anything yet. It learns by listening, just like you did when you were tiny. Then begin the training game. Choose a simple command, like dance. The first time your child says dance, Bloop, played by you, hidden behind the robot, doesn't move. I heard dance, but I'm not sure what it means yet. Say it again. Still no move. On the third or fourth time, Bloop starts wiggling. Ah, now I understand. Dance means wiggle. Celebrate. You've just acted out how real AI learns through repetition and pattern recognition. It needs many examples to connect a word to an action. Now switch roles. Let your child be the trainer. They pick a new command, sleep, laugh, or fly, and teach. Loop by saying it clearly several times. Each time Bloop learns a new word, add it to a handmade memory chart on the wall. This builds the idea that AI has no mind of its own, it only knows what humans teach it. Take it further. Introduce a mistake. Say dose instead of dance. Bloop freezes. I don't know that word. Can you say it again? This mirrors how voice assistants like Alexa or Siri ask for clarification. It's not magic. It's limited by its training. Most importantly, after the game, ask, is Bloop alive? Does it really understand you? Guide them to see that the robot is just following patterns. It doesn't feel joy when you say dance, and it doesn't miss you when you leave the room. That's the difference between machines and people. This activity does something rare. It demystifies AI while honoring your child's intelligence. They walk away not afraid of robots, but clear that they are the teachers, the thinkers, the humans with real understanding. And because it's all hands-on, there's no screen time, no data collection, no ads, just connection, creativity, and a foundational tech concept made tangible. Welcome to Genius Parenting, where we believe the best tech education starts not with devices, but with dialogue, play, and paper boxes. If you're new here, we're so glad you've joined our community of parents who want to raise kids who are not just users of technology, but wise, kind, and curious guides of it. If this cardboard robot idea sparked your imagination or reminded you how powerful simple play can be, please give this video a like. It helps more parents discover screen-like ways to build future-ready minds. Share it with someone who believes childhood should be full of wonder, not just Wi-Fi. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a genius parenting tip on raising thoughtful, capable, and deeply human kids in the age of AI.